What's up guys, CC here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're not new, wagwan YouTube family. In today's video I'm going to be attempting to do some box braid on myself, and that's not the challenge because I normally do my own box braids. The challenge is I'll be using these bundles of hair from Amazon, and these are some French curl bundles, so it gives you that nice finishing look, but it's apparently very difficult to work with because it's straight and because it's so curly. This is one of the bundles that I have out already, and to detangle it, doing my research on YouTube, they basically spray some water on the hair and kind of comb it out with your hand as you go and just pull apart. And yeah, try not to do too much knotting. So I'm going to be using the crochet method. The pack of hair that I purchased from Amazon also came with the crochet needle and a few studs, hair accessories to add to the hair once you're finished.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, all of the Barbies.
Okay guys, I'm back. This is just the top half. I didn't do the back, but yeah, I'm gonna finish the back, plaiting up the back tonight for sure. So tomorrow I just have to crochet, but I think I want to show you at least one right now. So let me do one. Put this underneath and go up, and then put the hair on. Close the latch and pull it through. Like that, and then I'm going to use my natural hair as the third strand, and I'm just going to start plaiting. This is how it's looking so far. It looks nice. It looks nice. It looks pretty neat. And then when I'm coming closer to the end of my hair, I'm going to stop. You gotta be careful not to knot the hair as you go. So I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna take some hair from this side to put in the middle. And then take some hair from this side as well. Trying not to knot there. Works better with water, so they say. I don't know how, because I feel like water would knot it. Okay. So I basically just add a third piece using strands from each side to build up the third piece, because my hair stops right here. And then this is how the transition looks nice and smooth. You don't see anything. Okay. Now the next hurdle to jump over is actually tying the hair. Tying off the hair once you finish plaiting, because you don't want it to loose out. They have so many different methods of tying off the hair, but I don't know which one I'm going to use. I'm going to try a ting. think we can stop right now. Yeah. Now, how to end it? I don't know how to end it. We'll take a strong. I'm gonna try to tie it. How do you tie it? Take this strong, put it through this one, and make a knot. That was a horrible attempt. Okay, let's try again. So guys, this was my attempt to tie off the end of the braid, and it's fair to say that it didn't work. Okay, I put about 5 different knots in this braid and it still wasn't secure enough, and it would have been a waste of time. I ended up going a different route, so stay tuned to see what I end up doing. This is where I have my section braids. This is where I store them until I purchase my braiding rack. Yeah guys, you gotta improvise, make it make sense. Okay guys, we're back for a quick second, and this is how far we are with the braiding. This is one pack, one bundle. So this is what I got with one bundle. It is, what time is it now? It is 2:30. Gosh, I think I'm gonna do another bundle and then go to bed because I don't wanna leave everything for tomorrow. Hey guys, it's the next day and we're finally finished. This is how we're looking. As you guys could see, I end up changing the style of this. I didn't leave the ends out anymore because it's going to be too much drama. It's going to be too much because I was trying to find a way to tie it off when I reached the point where I want to stop, but it wasn't staying, and it's just going to be too much, especially when I go to the back. So I end up plaiting the whole thing out. So it came with 8-pack and I use 6-pack in total, so I have 2 bundles left. I normally get 10 to 12 pieces out of each bundle. That's what I've been doing. Based on the size that you're trying to achieve, like this is pretty small. It's pretty light. It looks like a lot, but it's pretty lightweight. It feels so light. But I have these rods that I'm going to use to try to achieve a nice curl pattern. So let's get into it. I have my hot water right here. Careful. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Okay guys, we achieved some nice curls, some nice fancy curls. And yeah, I think I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to actually loose the ends of the curls out. As you guys could see, I took the curls out. I put the hair in hot water a second time to loosen the curls. I think I like it better this way. Thank you guys for watching. See y'all in the next one.